Hey everyone, I'm Faith Tucker with MasterCraft Marketing. Today, I'll be introducing you to the two new members of our NXT family of towboats, the NXT21 and NXT23. With a brand new hybrid bow design, more ballast capacity, and more ways to stay connected while out on the water, these best-in-class models are setting a new standard for attainable luxury. Whether you're new to towboats or looking to upgrade to a MasterCraft, unlock your family's next adventure with the all-new NXT21 and NXT23. The NXT21 and NXT23 both feature SurfStar, a revolutionary surf system loved by surfers worldwide due to its strength, accuracy, and ease of use. With SurfStar on these new NXT models, you can create the most customizable waves in the industry for any skill level at the touch of a button. Even better, the NXT21 and NXT23 are balanced performers, offering clean, consistent wakes for any wakeboarder in your crew. As the newest members of the NXT family, the NXT21 and NXT23 deliver ultimate comfort through distinctive style. Both models feature a brand new hybrid bow design, providing more storage and seating capacity for your crew. The NXT21 and NXT23 both come with a huge boost in ballast capacity. The ballast configuration in these boats deliver incredible performance right off the factory floor and provide excellent cockpit storage. Combined with built-in cooler locations and plentiful underseat storage throughout the cockpit, the NXT21 and NXT23 give you plenty of room to stow snacks and gear below deck to create a chill space for friends and family on board. Upgrade your cockpit space by adding a convertible rear seat on both the NXT21 and NXT23. The rear portion of the cockpit can be configured as a conversation space, or it can be used as a front row seat for action behind the boat. Don't forget, you can keep your family cool on the hottest of days with an upgrade to CoolFeel, a unique material that stays up to 30% cooler than standard marine vinyl. With MasterCraft, there's no need to stay away from those darker vinyl options that fit best with your custom design. We've got you covered. At MasterCraft, we want to ensure you spend less time worrying so you can enjoy more time on the water. New for 2023, the NXT21 and NXT23 are both equipped with telematics, allowing remote access to your boat's health and vitals anywhere in the world, all through the MasterCraft Connect app. The telematics box installed in your NXT21 and NXT23 shows critical boat data like battery and fuel levels, bilge status, and engine health, all while keeping your local dealer up to speed with your service needs. Plus, you can receive notifications for critical alarms and GPS geofencing alerts. For added fun, track your family's progress and activities behind the boat through the MasterCraft Connect app. Both the NXT21 and NXT23 offer entertainment for everyone on board. Equipped with a Klipsch audio system, your crew can stream their favorite tunes via Bluetooth all day long. For 2023, we've upped the sound experience. Upgrade to advanced audio, and your NXT23 will come with 6 cockpit speakers, immersing you in clean sound anywhere you choose to sit. Want to spread the sound and keep your crew bumping behind the boat? Load your Z6 tower with up to 4 additional speakers to really round out your acoustic experience. During longer days, keep everyone on board fully charged to maximize your time on the water. The NXT21 and NXT23 can be equipped with up to 5 wireless charging stations, 1 for the captain and 4 throughout the cockpit for your crew. The accommodations and added features developed by our engineering staff for the all-new NXT21 and NXT23 make your time on the water less intimidating and way more convenient. And that relates to your experience in the boat, behind the wheel. The NXT21 and NXT23 provide ample shade and storage with improvements to our canvas for 2023. MasterCraft is the only brand to offer bow, aft, and side shade options, in addition to our seamlessly integrated and easy-to-use Biminis, which can now store up to 6 boards. Our redesigned standard clamping board racks are easier to use than ever before, keeping up to 4 boards safe and secure with less effort. Combined with our Bimini board storage, MasterCraft now has the most board storage in the industry. The kids will love the pop-up ski pylon, available as an upgrade on the NXT21 and NXT23. It makes it easy to hook up a tube to have the most fun behind the boat, and you'll love that it easily raises and lowers with one small twist. When you're ready to get in and out of the water, your crew can do so with ease thanks to the new flip-down swim step available on both the NXT21 and NXT23. Lastly, every captain will love that MasterCraft has their back behind the wheel. The NXT21 and NXT23 come with MasterCare, a top-of-the-line 5-year, 500-hour comprehensive warranty with minimal exclusions. This also includes an Unrivaled engine warranty, 7 years or 1,000 hours. And the commitment to our customers doesn't stop once a MasterCraft leaves the factory. Our award-winning dealer network is spread across the country and the world to ensure that you get the best customer experience out there. Thanks for joining me today to learn about the newest members of the MasterCraft fleet, the NXT21 and the NXT23. Whether you're new to boating or looking for an upgrade, the all-new NXT21 and NXT23 can provide your family with the comfort, connectivity, and convenience you expect from MasterCraft, all at the price point you're looking for. If you're ready to unlock your family's next adventure, please contact your local MasterCraft dealer or head to mastercraft.com.